Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So exciting times. I don't know if you guys remember a couple months ago, there was this beautiful mudded out Corvette C8 Red Beauty out there that was going and all of a sudden disappeared. But now it's actually come back and it's for sale again. Oh, super excited about it. They just basically gave it a bath, washed off the dirt, made it look more presentable, which makes sense. I mean, that's definitely a high dollar car. You should probably wash it. But it's playing today. Gonna go ahead and put a pre-bid for $50,000. Basically a really good friend of mine, he really wants it, so we're gonna go ahead and let him get it, and hopefully we'll win it for him. Auction is playing today on Dream Rides, basically. So that's basically all across the country, super high-end vehicles from 2025 to just really high-end vehicles going for sale right now. BMWs, Ford Expedition, I mean, anything, everything that's really nice. It's playing today, right now. It took a little longer, so I had to wait for it, but ours is coming about 20 cars. Current bid is $40,000. Sheesh, definitely up there, but that's still definitely worth it. So you got Cadillacs, I mean, Colorados, and there's our Corvette. Actually, two playing today, one at Indianapolis and one over there in Asheville, North Carolina. So who knows how this is gonna go. And then there's actually a Tundra gonna play as well. Might as well, you know, super nice. Not too bad damage, current airbag deployed right there. Front end a little bit, but we'll see. I really want the Corvette, the Tundra as well, that'd be nice. Also for a friend of mine, why not? Let's see what happens. All right guys, using Monroe labels, I was able to get the sticker window price for this thing. So standard retail vehicle, the price was $80,050. $87,000. Dang, that's insane. But this is actually the 3LT, so it's got a lot of options as well. So you're looking at the Z51 Performance Package, $6,000, which is the Z51 Performance Brake, spoiler, electric lifted, limited slip depth, front lift adjustment height, another $3,000. So it's gonna lift up the car and lower the car depending on where you were. You save on a location or you just hit a button. So there's a big curb or some kind of drive, then literally the car will lift up and down. Super cool. Keep lane assist, pretty awesome. Automatic emergency braking was installed as well. What else is there? Some little tint coat, wheel, carbon fiber, flashing stuff. So adding it up to another $14,000 just in extras from the window, from the factory itself, to $103,000. Dang. And then some of the dealerships back then were actually adding a markup on top of the sticker price. So it's probably going for more than that. Probably 110 easily. So it's 2024, fairly new, I'd say, only 1,000 miles on it. 3LT, hardtop convertible. That's my favorite. Honestly, this is my favorite one I've seen the whole season. I've checked out probably like maybe 30 of these things already, and this one's got the least amount of damage, least amount of water damage for sure. And it's the top of the line package. So I love that hardtop convertible. You're just driving, hit a button, opens up, closes. Super nice. Definitely so much fun to drive. You got all that power, you have all that comfort. And we're about to find out if we're gonna get it or not here soon. A little nervous. Hopefully it goes well. All right guys, here we go. The Corvette is about to play. I'm just gonna play it on my phone too since I'm watching it, but looking it up. Dang, I didn't think this day was gonna come, not gonna lie guys, because I looked at it, I was super stoked, and then it just gone, disappeared out of the auction. Didn't sell, I was just like, what's happening? Well, it kind of makes sense. They probably like, hey, pictures look bad, can you re-upload it or whatever? So they must have watched it and just made it look better. Which looks a lot better this time for sure. It looks a lot cleaner, but still super excited about it. I mean, I've got 2 more cars to go and it's gonna play. All right guys, almost going. This is the 2024 Riviera thing I checked out too, is playing, which is pretty cool. I mean, that's electric car, it should be fully sealed. I've seen videos of it floating and still driving away. So it should be nice, but at the same time, it's so much money to play around with, and who knows what kind of problems you're gonna get. It might be some kind of electrical issues. It might be some kind of safety features enabled that won't let you drive anymore. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, this one's the one in the front, but I checked one out, like this flooded too. A lot of cars, guys. Definitely get confused. There's a lot of things going on. They're still going for a lot. $29,000. Dang. Front bumper damage. It's fine. Corvette's next, and that's what we want. That's why we're here, and here we go. Oh, one more card. Come on. All right. Hopefully this Acura goes pretty quick. You gotta be patient. I've actually missed a lot of cars because you're like, oh, I'll come back in 5 minutes, and it plays in 2. So sometimes they go fast. Sometimes it takes like 10 solid minutes to play one car. You're like, are you kidding me? And then sometimes it's like instantly. So it's definitely a patient game. You gotta play it, you know. They already put the pre-bid for $50,000. I think that's still very fair for, like I said, they're going for $80,000, so 50. Hopefully get out of that. If not, then I have to call my friend and go a little more. We'll see. Here we go, guys. Here we go. All right, auto bids in progress. 50K, 42.6. We won 42.5. That's so weird. So that was, nobody clicked it. We put that pre-bid on there and we got it. Wow, exciting times for sure. That's crazy, guys. 42,000. That's $8,000 cheaper than how much I wanted for my pre-bid. That usually never happens. Wow, can't believe it. Definitely the best one out of the whole season. Out of all the ones I checked out, my favorite one. Top of line, 3LT, hardtop, so nice. Awesome. All right, guys, so we have like one more car, and then we're gonna play also the 2024 Tundra. Really nice as well, high package, kind of damage all around. Don't really see it, but it looks nice in pictures. Maybe somebody stole it and went for a joyride, burned the tires, you know, got a little scuffed up, so hopefully nothing too crazy. Let's see, pre-bid is also at $40,000. These Toyotas, they just go for so much. I think it's just overseas, people can't get them as easily, so they get them from the insurance auction, so it's very hard. We'll see what happens. Okay, here we go, guys. One more card after this 2024 Infinity. Come on, buddy. Let it go. I don't know, I'm kind of skeptical. We already got one good win, so that's a good day. Maybe we'll get the Tundra, but I don't know. I've been watching, I've been trying to play them and stuff, and they've just been going for so much. It's pretty crazy. This Infinity QX80 high item, $24,000. All these are like, they're super nice vehicles. Okay, here we go. This is it. Let's see. $40,000. Reserves off. 38.5, 39, 40,000. All right, so should we hit it again? 40,000, 40,100. Yeah, we already went off the bid. Yep, here we go. 40,300. Man, $40,000. Crazy. Never checking it out, never looking at it. Let's keep going. 41, hitting it. Dang. 41.5, yeah. Let's get it. 41.3. Dang, so much money. Okay, here we go, guys. Reserve is off. This is it. This is like pure sale. 41,550. Yeah, I think I should do it. So much money. That'd be Corvette money right here. 41, set 42. Yep, 42. Let's hit it. What would you rather have, a C8 or a 2024 Tundra? C8, for sure, guys. I'd definitely go with the C8. But this Tundra is super nice, too. I mean, this is more realistic to actually have daily driving and stuff. 42,300. Yeah. I'm getting it. 42.5. Sheesh. Yep. Let's get it. Honestly, they just go for so much. Still a good deal. It's still way below market value because that's what we got to watch out for. Instead of just going Facebook Marketplace picking one up, this is still, you're looking $20,000 cheaper. So hopefully not too much in repairs. Hopefully it's still solid truck. Looking good, looking good. $43,000. Dang. Now it's going up $250 a click. Wow. 43. Somebody really wants it. We're just battling it out here. This is it. Oh, outbid again. Come on, man. 43,300. Time extended. 43,300. Wow. I'm just going to go aggressive. As soon as I click it, I'm clicking it. 43.5. 43.5. Let it go. That's it. Still a good deal. Oh, come on. They're just hard drops and it's like right there at the end and then they click it. 43,700. Time extended. Here we go. 43.7 and 2, guys. We got 2. So a little bit more than the C8. Can you believe it? That's crazy, but I guess you get more vehicle. Both super nice cars. I think we got good deals. All right, guys, Corvette is paid for, and luckily it's only an hour away, not in Florida, 10 hours. So gonna go pick it up. I think we're gonna put it on a trailer just in case some of the mud or something got into the fluids. I don't think so. I mean, it sounded super healthy, but just in case, rear differential, something like that, it'd be better to put it on a trailer and then tow it home, check the fluids, everything like that, to be safe instead of damaging something more. Why not? Not too far, tow it back, good to go. Let's get it. Super excited. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah, literally needs a bath. This is it. Beautiful, guys. There she is. All right, guys, we don't want to damage anything unloading it, and man, this thing is low. So we're gonna use the hill advantage and just kind of back it up to the grass and just basically get it off that way. But it's running and it's purring. Beautiful. All right, guys, made it back to my really good friend, mentor, Anatoly's house. So this is his car right here. It was his dream car he's been looking for a while, and I think this is the best one I've seen so far out of the whole season. So I'm really stoked for him. We're gonna get it unloaded and just drive it off the trailer. Let's do it.
Never started the Corvette yet.
Just hit the button, boss man. Let's see what happens. All right. Got power to it, and hopefully it's been a couple months. Let's see if it still starts. Got any power?
Got the power.
No power. Let me wiggle it around a little bit.
No, there's power.
There's power? Got the key?
Something's working. Hold on.
Well, usually the screen's going on. All right, guys, cold start. It's been about 3 months. Let's see if it still starts. There it goes. Woo! Nice.
Working.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. Oh, yeah. It's been sitting for a while. Battery died, so a lot of help to clear it, but nice. Let's get some boards and get it unloaded. And here we go, guys. A little bit of camera magic, and check out this beauty. Wow, definitely. What a transformation. Going from the mud pit to looking brand new, prestige. If you could tell, the top's been painted black. That's what he wanted. Why not? I think it looks awesome. Make it unique. Full body paint job. He went ahead and actually replaced this fender because that hole inside headlights he was able to buff out and re-clear. Looking good. Top to bottom. You can't even tell it was flooded or in a mudslide or getting shifted around. Brand new. Dang. Yeah, guys, I think you got a steal deal. If you were gonna go pick one up right now, new 2024 at the dealership, they're looking at $110,000 to $90,000 as is, roughly on Facebook Marketplace for the 3LT Z51 package, hardtop convertible, easily $80,000, $90,000. So amazing, great deal, almost half the price, and super low miles, working great. Go for a drive. He said he just came back from North Carolina on it, going in the mountains. Beautiful. Still wants to get the windows tinted, Just completely black out the top. Make it unique, a little different. Why not? A little personal character to it. Gorgeous. I mean, what a steal deal for that price range to get a car that can go 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. That's a little bit faster than the Nissan GT-R, which is insane. I mean, you're looking at a price for just a new car, but you get yourself a nice C8. So definitely some great deals out there. Let's go ahead and go for a spin, go for a drive, and see what it feels like for sure. I'm excited to ride in it. Man, super awesome. All right, guys, there we go. Let's get a cold start. Cleaned out, looking good. So nice. Oh yeah, smooth. Nice. I don't think I closed it. There we go. Top open, you gotta pull it back.
Down.
Oh, push it down. You think it'd be out? Nice. Oh yeah. Easy. All right, guys, back at the shop. What an adventure. I mean, honestly, getting it winning bid $42,500 after some fees, getting it painted, fender like that, still under $50,000. Beautiful, brand new looking, you know, C8 2024 3LT. So I think that's awesome. Z51 package sounds great, looks great, handles amazing. Best one of the season for sure. After checking out hundreds of them, a lot of them were really flooded. There's a lot of water damage. The seats aren't working, a lot of electronical issues. And this one, good to go from the get-go. So I was super excited. I'm really happy for my really good friend and mentor. He's gonna love it, he's gonna enjoy it. So everybody's really happy on that. Win-win. Thanks so much for joining this adventure, guys, and we'll catch you next time.